In this video, I am going to discuss the power of least action when it comes to practicing the law of assumption. Let's jump right in. What is least action? Least action is the minimum of energy and least amount of time. Neville states that least action is a principle that governs our universe. So what does least action have to do with the law of assumption? Let's break this down. When using the law of assumption, we must use the concept of least action on a mental level. If it's something that is operating the natural world, operating within the universe, then it is available to us to use to our advantage in our day-to-day life. What does this look like? In moving from your present reality to your desired reality, you must use the minimum amount of energy and take the shortest possible time. Basically, the mental equivalent of least action is your assumptions. Through your assumption, you hurry without haste and reach your goal without effort. Your assumptions will be the thing that helps you to reach your goal in the least amount of time. Your assumptions are extremely powerful. This is deceptively simple and in many ways goes against what a lot of us have been taught to believe. Frankly, this is news to me because I have been making my life an entire melodrama, so you can understand. I have to process this with you guys. Buckle your seatbelt because this gets even deeper. Neville states that our desires already exist, but we are not experiencing that reality because we will only experience whatever is in our consciousness. This is where our assumptions come in. It is the job of our assumptions to create our desired reality. An assumption is the thing that is going to bring the invisible into sight, into reality. It is not the world that changes, but your assumptions that change. Assumptions determine our experience, period. Because of this, we need to be vigilant about our assumptions because according to Neville, our problems can be traced right back to our assumptions. Our assumptions, which are subjective, become our objective reality. This is the power of our assumptions. They are creative. Here's a direct quote from Neville. Every event in the visible world is a result of an assumption or idea in the unseen world. The unseen world is our mind. The moral of the story is that we need to utilize the power of least action through our assumptions. Our assumptions are the key. They are multifaceted and have so many purposes. It's insane, to be honest. We need to jump on the least action bandwagon. If the concept of least action is good enough for the universe, it's definitely good enough for me. So let's just do this, guys. Let's try to make use of this amazing concept of least action. And it starts in our mind. Once again, so counterintuitive. I would never think, yeah, let me take the least amount of action possible. It doesn't sound right, but that's because we have been programmed to basically do the most, if you will, to just really struggle, if I'm honest. And it doesn't always have to be that way. We have options, and this is the beauty and power of the law of assumption. My melodrama days are over, let me tell you. I am going to apply least action in my life, and I will get back to you. I hope this video helped you in some way. Thanks for watching.